About 1979, my dad called my brother and I into his house up in West Nanticoke, Pennsylvania, to let us know that my mom was diagnosed with 4th-stage ovarian cancer. And because she was only, at the time, when she contracted cancer, was 57 years old. I was really ashamed because my dad and my mom always planned to retire and move to Florida. My dad had his own business, and so, he was going to sell the business or give it to my brother, and he was going to run it. And then he and my mom retired to Florida. And he, for the last 15, 20 years before she died, they never went on vacations because he just kept work. And that never happened. It's a real hard lesson. You can't always count on it. You know what I mean? It doesn't always work out that way.
But, there's the saying, patients can't wait. And when somebody goes to a doctor and gets a diagnosis of either concerned, life-altering, my hope always is, but there's something new available today that wasn't here, and now you're going to benefit from that. And I think about that father, because obviously that's what I am, so I put myself in that parental position. Going home, and rather than giving their children some horrible news, mommy or daddy's going to be okay because this company came out with that.
Our technology is designed to be an early detector. So what we do is, it's a simple blood test. It's 1 vial of blood. It takes an hour. With that, we can tell you, once we have developed a signature of the disease, which is not always the easiest thing to do because we don't have enough blood samples out there in the population because it's not found that early. So we're going to have to use artificial intelligence and machine learning to do a lot of derivatives to get this right.
So AI in its simplest definition is the creation of computer systems in order to perform human tasks, as well as tasks that humans are unable to perform. In many cases, it performs those tasks exceedingly better. We are using this unique information from interferons developed by IES in order to find the hidden links between the immune system and some of the most prominent diseases facing mankind.
So we are in the state of Maryland, and we have partnered with the University of Maryland, particularly their Eastern Shore campus, and we are their first corporate partner. We are in their labs, and we're moving through with them. And they have been a wonderful partner. They have a full set of everything we need, and it's made our life easier. We have also received a grant from them. It's called the MIPS grant, and that was a $100,000 grant to move things forward. We are hoping to be working with Johns Hopkins. We are hoping to be working with the National Cancer Institutes. And probably some of the pharmas down the road will be interested in working with us.
What's unique about working with UMES is that UMES is a historically black college and university, which means that we have access to a very diverse population of students and scientists that study and work here. And those diverse backgrounds lead to innovative, unique, non-traditional ideas that can be applied to solving these not standard problems, such as these difficult to diagnose diseases. We have a lot more out-of-the-box thinkers on campus than you'd find at some other major universities.
What our ultimate goal is, once this test is developed and FDA approved, we're going to license it out to someone that can take it to market. We are not a marketing company. I don't want to build up a sales force to do that. I want to partner with somebody who, be it a drug company, be it a diagnostics company, that gets it out there and gets it in the physician's hands.
I am the scientific founder of IES Life Sciences, and I'm excited to tell you this is a great company that I've helped create based on a very simple but important scientific technology. It's a blood test that measures the human interferons. And why is that important? Well, it's critical in conditions such as cancer. Because we know in cancer, for most individuals, the major symptom of cancer early on is there are no symptoms. You're going along with your life, you're happy, healthy, and fine. You go to the doctors for your physical, you might come home. In some instances where there's diagnosed, you have that. Or you have such a pain and such a condition down the road that now you find out that you go in and you get a CAT scan and then it's discovered there. Why can't we find these things earlier? Why can't we have tests that none of us will be afraid to take? A simple blood tube is not going into a MRI or a CAT scan machine. These things are simple. They'll be cost-effective solutions, because the real key to surviving cancer is not built on the treatments. It's built on finding it early. And that's what we promise to do with the IES Life Sciences test.
Most ovarian cancer will go undiagnosed until it's too late. We need you.
I 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 need you.
We need you.
I need you.